Unboxing video. Okay, this is going to be an unboxing of the Hiby R4. Hey, wait, you already did a review of the Hiby R4. Well, guess what? Amazon had a lightning sale. A lightning sale! Now, lightning sales are generated by the manufacturer. So Hiby decided, boom, we want to sell a whole bunch of these players because we got a bunch of them in our warehouse. So let's have a sale. So they knocked it down from $249 to $211.65. It's $37.35 less. Yeah, pretty big sale. $37 is nothing to sneeze at. So I decided, if I just called Amazon and said, hey, can I get the $37? No, you have to send it back, which is ridiculous. I have to send back a perfectly good player and buy a different one. So this time, I decided to get the orange one. This is really silver with orange accents. They also have silver with green accents, silver with silver accents. Judging by all the reviews on Amazon, I looked at each one and saw which colors were bought. The most popular color is black and orange. Two most popular colors. And then the green is next, and the silver is dead last. So, that's how it rates in popularity. There, Swiss Army knife, yes sir. Never fails me. Chop, chop, chop. There. That side. There we go. A little more right there. Okay. Swiss Army knife goes to the hold pile. And there it is inside. Not a really big box here. Not a super big box for this player. Yeah, look at that. It's really squeezed in there. Okay. Yeah, not a lot of padding either. Hope it didn't have any hits. Box looks clean. No dings. And there it is. Once again, back in my area is the Hiby R4. Okay, all plastic wrapped, all nicely sealed. Let's see if we can see the manufacturing date on this. It's got some stuff on here. Hiby R4 MP3 and MP4 players. Spotify player with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, 4-way hi-fi DAP, Android 12 OS, 3.5 millimeter and 4.4 millimeter. Yeah, balanced. And 32 gigabytes plus 2 terabytes scalable memory. New item, it says. New item. So this is not a returned one or something that they're having on sale. So who knows? Who knows when they'll have another sale, but I was very pleased to see that. I only had 15 minutes left to make the decision because these lightning sales usually last between 4 and 12 hours. But I don't think this one was that long because I just happened to be trolling my Amazon account and there it popped up. So, which side do we want to start at? It's really got a lot of shrink wrap on it. Wow, very shiny. Okay, we'll just kind of give it a nick down here by the, right here. There. Got it. Alright. There's the sound everybody wants to hear. There goes the sticker. And that is that. So, see if I can see the manufacturing date on here. Yeah, here it is. This one is 2/17/25. And I think my last one was March. So this one is actually from February. So they got some inventory they want to sell off, or maybe they just made the orange one in February and the black one in March. That's probably what it was. Okay, not so easy to open, I'll tell you. This one, the last one. Okay, get it started. Got the little, do have a nice little indicator right here telling you how that goes back into the outer box. That's nice. 04, there it is, 04. That's what I want to see. Okay. And now we have more security stickers. No returns when opened or broken. That's not true. Not if you bought it from Amazon. It may be true from Hiby, but not from Amazon. There we go. Slice number 1 and slice number 2. There we go. There it is. Even the box is orange. It's so excited to be part of the show. Okay, and wow. Wowzer. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is stunning. Wow. I've seen all these videos of it, pictures and everything, but never seen one like this. Right up close and personal. Wow. Wowzer. Okay. Look at that. Woo. See, on the black one, you couldn't even see this lettering down here. It says Type C, and then headphone, and then balanced headphone. Couldn't see that at all. It's completely buried in the black, with all that black. And you can even see the screws on this one. So, you can see the screw, you can see 2 screws right there. See the big orange thing back there? That's great. I like that. Yeah, I'm glad I went with the orange. I thought about it a lot. It was a tough decision, black or orange. And I even like the fact that the on the side here, that power button is orange as well. I like that too. The power button is orange. So lots of orange accents. You got the orange accent on the top up here. I'm actually going to try to use the screen protector, which is already pre-applied. The last one, it was just, I just gave up and ripped it off. But this one I'm actually going to try to use, because it really is, this screen is a very, very much a fingerprint magnet. So, yeah, this device is fantastic. I love this color. I'm glad I went with the orange. So, yeah. So keep an eye out. See if they have another lightning sale, because like I say, I think Hiby's got some inventory they want to move. Maybe they got a new model coming out. Who knows? Or maybe their sales are down. That's what I think it is. I think a lot of these companies are having a hard time selling something that's so specialized. I mean, come on. How many people do you know have a digital audio player? Not that many. I mean, realistically, it's just not a big thing. So one of the nice things of switching over like this is that all I got to do is put this back in. That's all I got to do. And I got all my songs back into place. So that's nice. And of course I got an OTG adapter right here too. So see that right there, USB-C to OTG. And so yeah, I've already got probably 100 CDs on this card, and every day I load another 5 or more. Every day I do more. It's tedious to rip a CD to FLAC, but it's worth it. Alright, well that's it for this unboxing. I managed to stay under 10 minutes, so there you go. Yeah, okay, time to set it up and let her rip. Bye. Well, here I shut it off and realized I didn't show you what's in the box. What kind of unboxing video is that? There's not a lot, but let's do it. Okay. Just kind of stick your finger in there and pull this outer part out. Okay. Pull the camera back. Prop it up. There we go. Primitive conditions here, I tell you. Still using my Nikon 1J4 as my camcorder. So, and this is the clear case it comes with. Super appreciated that they come with a case. Really a nice addition. Got a piece of, oh, on the black one, this was black. And on the silver one, or orange one, this is white. So that's different. And there's the case right there. See that? Nice. It's kind of a smoky color, but it's really nice. Feels very good on the case. Some people don't like it, but hey, you know what? It does its job. Keeps it from getting scratched. And then over here, we got the instructions, which is not much, I'll tell you. They really don't tell you a lot. I mean, if you didn't know how to rip a flag file, if you didn't or anything about how to do this, they are not going to help you. You're going to have to learn all this on your own. But like I say, these are specialized products. These aren't for the masses. This is not an iPod product. iPods, I'm sure, have a 100-page. Now make sure you plug it in. Yeah, no, this is for people that know what they're doing. I'd like to hear the warranty card. They don't give you a warranty card. They give you a QC code. Please sign the QR. Please scan the QR code for detailed warranty terms. Oh, yeah, okay. And here we have the secondary screen protector right there. And then we have a tiny little thing right here. Oh, it says right here, what does it say? Yeah, quality grade QC Pass 01. Yeah, date of inspection. It's all these little lines, but they're not filled in. The inspector's name, date of inspection, quality grade, none of that's filled in. They just stamp it with a red stamp. Yeah, probably just printed that way. Probably no stamp involved. Okay, and then this is your actual quick guide. And I say quick, I mean quick. It's quick. It won't take you long because this is in like 3 languages. So yeah, starting out it's in Chinese, and then yeah, basic description of the buttons. Then on the back side is English. Yeah, power on off, operating system, music player app. I know you can't see this because it's really not great lighting in here. Not great. But anyway, you get the idea. That's it. I'm telling you, there's just not firmware update. That's important that they tell you about that. Because all factory reset. So if you ever have it crash on you, and I did have my other player crash one time, just wouldn't respond. So you push the power button and the previous track button, and it reset itself, and it kept all of my data, and everything was fine. So it's important to know how to do that. Force shutdown. If the device is frozen or experiencing issues and cannot be shut down or started normally, press and hold the power button and then next track button. Oh, that's interesting for force shutdown. So you hit power and previous track for reset and next track for power down for 15 seconds to force a shutdown. For more information about instructions, and you know, I went to their website and there's really not a detailed instruction manual. But you know what? I know this stuff, but everybody doesn't. It's They really need to spend more time doing a really comprehensive instruction guide. So that's it. There's your quick guide. There's your screen protector. There's your official inspection pass. And there's your case. That's the main accessory. Oh, and then one more thing. One last thing. That is a very short USB-C to USB-C. Which, for me, that doesn't do anything because, you know, my computer's all, well, I guess, yes, my laptop has a C. But normally speaking, I use a USB-A to C. Anyway, that's, you know, neither here nor there. So you get this little cable, you know, that's good. You get a cable, and it's even got little thingies on it, on the ends. Yeah, see there's little plastic caps on it. So there you go. That's it. Complete unboxing. We've finished. We're out of here. Okay, take care. Bye.